In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can clear the Discord cache on your Windows 11. So let's get started. First is we need to make sure that Discord is not running on our Windows. So how we can do that? How can you do that? Right click at the start button and then you have to select Task Manager. Maximize it. Then here you just need to look for Discord. So once you find Discord, just simply make a right click and then select End Task. Okay, right click and then select End Task. Now, once you have made sure that there are no instances of Discord running on your Windows, press Windows key and R button together. Type percentage app data percentage and then you have to click on OK. Then we need to look for the Discord folder from here. Right click and then you have to select delete. Then close this window. Then press Windows key and R button together again. Type temp and click on OK. You have to delete everything from here. So click on one file and then Control A and then click the delete icon at the top. Now check this box to this for all current items and click on skip. Close this. Then again press Windows key and R button together to open run. Type percentage temp percentage and then you have to click on OK. Click on one folder and then Control A. Then you have to click the delete icon at the top. Check this box, do this for all current items and click on skip. Close this. Again, press Windows key and R. This time you need to type prefetch. And then you have to click on OK. And also delete everything from here. Then click on the delete button. Then go to the Windows search bar and type disk cleanup. Click on it under the best match. Click on OK for the Windows C drive. Okay, so here you just have to select all of these options one by one for the files that you need to delete and simply click on OK and click on delete files. You just have to wait for this process to be done. Then right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart your Windows. So that's it. I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video.